Hello everyone. It's me again, your favorite person on the planet. And second favorite person, Patchy P. This is my English bulldog. We rescued her in 2014 and she's deaf and always has been. And she's the best girl. And she obviously doesn't want me to work out. What's the matter? You got the zoomies? Ugh. Okay. I feel you. I don't want to do it either. Okay, so real quick, we're just going to do like a 15-minute workout. I'm going to do some kettlebells because they seem to work really well for me. And next we're going to do bench press, and I'll show you that, and I'll move the camera each time. Bench press, I'm only doing, I think it's 35 pounds. I'm just doing the bar. I have to start small. And I'm not very good at bench press. And then we'll do lat pull down, and I think I have it on 50 pounds. So, and I may have to adjust that as I go. So I'll probably do 5, 5, 5. Just because that's easy. What do you think? What do you want to do? Do you want to do 5? I'm not kissing you right now. Your breath stinks. Are you a good girl? Every time I get a special wish, I always wish that Patches, my very best friend, could hear me just one time. Isn't that sweet? Not gonna cry today. I'm supposed to be working out. Let's start our workout, of course, because I have been forgetting to do that. This shouldn't take too long. Okay, guys, let's begin. Are you gonna stay there? Okay. So, we'll do 5 squats, goblet squats, and then we'll go over and do 5 bench press. And I wish we had some music. There's that. And this. Okay. 5. Yes, I had this on 50 pounds. Stronger than I thought. This really hurts my biceps. My big biceps. Not really. Okay, go back. Always tease that Patches thinks she's a human. She does not like to sit on the floor. So wherever she goes, she has to either be on a chair. You won't hardly ever see her sit on the floor. So much so that if I see her on the floor, I think something's wrong. Because she was over there sitting in a chair until I sat there and then she came running, which you saw her. Can't make that up. Okay. I was going to go run today, but I got ready instead, so I usually run before I do my makeup. So I guess that meant I couldn't run. I still could run. Dang it. Okay. Set 3. You all right? Good to go. Maggie's out here too. She's actually laying in the dog bed. So what you could do after, if you want to amp this up a little after each set, you could add weight, which you probably should do anyways. But where I'm just back to beginning, I don't want to do that. When you hear me hit that clear to the top, I probably should definitely up that a little bit. So we'll put it to 60. Okay. Round 4. Knocking it out, knocking it out. Ooh. There we go. Thanks for all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you. I lost 2, and I gained 3, and it was like, does anyone know why people unsubscribe? I sit and wonder that, and it really shouldn't matter. I really shouldn't care. But seriously, why would you unsubscribe? I asked my son Riley, and he's like, I don't know, Mom. I don't know either. But why would someone unsubscribe? Maybe I'm annoying. I'm sure I'm annoying. I know I'm annoying. But just don't watch me. So I put this up to 60 and I can definitely feel it. And if you notice that time, I didn't cling it clear to the top. So, anyways. I got some blonde in my hair yesterday, if you can't tell. It was so dark. Anyways, I'm sure you don't care. Okay, this is 5. We're at 5. Told you. James says I could put that rack thing together. I don't think I can. And I read the instructions and it says requires 2 people. Well, who's the second person? Patches? No, I can't do it. Riley usually puts all of our stuff together, but he's been so busy, he hasn't been able to. Yeah, I could definitely add some weight to this. Maybe next time. I think I did an extra one. All right, guys, last one. Okay, so that's it on that. So I did a little bit of legs, which would be the squats, and then 2 things of arms. I probably should have done 4 workouts. something more with legs. I don't know what though. Uh-oh. See, wherever I'm at, she usually is. So she'll probably jump up here because she wants to be by me. I'm gonna do 10 of these. Okay. All right, there's that. And I'll try 10 of these too. I'm sure I can do it. Okay, I did it. I did 10 of those. 10 bench press. I think I did 6 squats. Anyway, so that's probably all I'm going to do today. Thank you for subscribing, liking. Please watch to the end. That gets my hours in that I need. I really appreciate it. I think that was like that. Anyways, watch to, if my voice is annoying, just watch the video and no sound. That's why I tell my kids, just watch me and don't listen, because I'm annoying. But I do appreciate all of you. Get your water in, go for a walk, kiss your dogs. Do something nice for someone, do something nice for yourself. It's kind of sunny here, but cold, so go out and get a little bit of sunlight. That really does help. Open up your curtains in your house. Anyways, that's all I have for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.